years ago, students with disabilities sued the Archdiocese of New Orleans, claiming questions on Catholic school applications discriminated against them.
After a preliminary victory last year forced the schools to change their applications, today they suffered a setback. WWL investigator David Hammer has been following this case and is in court this morning.
Sharice and Katie, it's been 6 months since a federal judge rejected the church's efforts to block the case and ordered it to move forward, but a state court ruling today could push it back by another half a year. This 17-year-old girl excels in school and is fluent in French, so it was shocking when the president of Mount Carmel Academy left this message for her mother before she even applied to the Catholic high school.
We don't have the accommodations, and I do think our academic program would be substantially difficult for her.
The girl's attorney, Christopher Edmonds, filed a class action discrimination lawsuit against the Archdiocese in 2022. Judge Ellen Hazur issued a preliminary ruling last year, stopping 9 area Catholic high schools from asking questions about disabilities on their applications. But today, Judge Hazur went against Edmonds. She ruled he has to figure out who's part of his class action before he can review potential evidence. He thinks that's backwards.
So it's a bit like saying, no, you're going to need to decide what hotel you're staying at before you even know where you're traveling next year.
The Archdiocese is also dealing with a clergy sex abuse scandal, and it's in bankruptcy. The church wants to use that bankruptcy case to put this lawsuit over disability access on hold.
They don't want us actually looking behind the curtain and seeing why they were asking kids what medications they take, why they were asking kids whether they have any learning disabilities, or to upload their educational evaluations. They will stop at nothing to prevent that information from seeing the light of day.
Now, Edmonds says his case seeks no monetary damages and has nothing to do with the church's bankruptcy. 2 federal judges agree with him, but the church appealed to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. They argued the case 4 months ago, and we're still waiting on a ruling. Sharice?
All right, David, thank you.